Welcome to this channel. Last week we started a series on indices. You can check out the videos in this channel. And those of you that will find indices very difficult, this is the time to learn it, and you will love indices. We are going to continue from where we stopped last week on the laws of indices. Right now we're on the law of division of numbers and the subtraction of powers. This law says that when we are dividing one number with another number, which we express in index form, we take one of the base and do subtraction of the powers. For example, we have 625 divided by 25. This 625 here can be expressed as 5 raised to power 4. This 25 here can be expressed as 5 raised to power 2. The law says, since the bases are the same, we take one of the base, which is 5, then we do subtraction of the powers. So 4 minus 2 give us 2. So 5 raised to power 2 will give us 25. So let's look at these balls to know the other way we can do division of numbers and the subtraction of powers. 5 raised to power 4 means 5 in 4 places. 5 raised to power 2 means 5 in 2 places. So 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 2 will give us this. We now divide the numerator by the denominator. So we cancel out 5, we cancel this 5, 5, we cancel this 5. So what do we have left? We have 5 times 5, which we have here. 5 times 5 will give us 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2 will give us 25. So let's take another example. Let's say 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 2. Since the bases are the same, we take one of the base, which is 2. We subtract the powers. We have 5 minus 2. What do we have? We have 2 raised to power 3. Another example, we have 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 4. We take one of the base since they are the same, which is 3. We do subtraction of the powers, 5 minus 4. So the final answer is 3 raised to power 1. So let's move on to the next law of indices. We have the power 0. What is the power 0 law? This power 0 law says that any number raised to the power 0 equals 1. 3 raised to power 0 is 1. 4 raised to power 0 is 1. 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 100 raised to power 0 is 1. 1000 raised to power 0 is 1. This law says that any number raised to power 0 is 1. 50 raised to power 0 is 1. 60 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is always 1. The question some of you would like to ask me, how did we get any number raised to power 0 becoming 1? Take a look at this box. So we are going to illustrate it now. So we are going to use the division law to express it. We have 5 raised to power 2 divided by 5 raised to power 2. According to our division law, we take one of the base and do subtraction of the powers. So 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. So 5 raised to the power 0. We can express this now as this to get what we are looking for. 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 2 can be expressed as this. 5 raised to the power 2, we cancel 5 raised to the power 2. What do we have? We have 1. That is how we have this here. We have 5 raised to the power 0 here. We have 1 here. Since the expressions are the same, it means, therefore, that 5 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. This is where I end my lecture today. I will continue from here next week. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out in this series of indices. Thank you for listening.